What recent data shows heat waves impacting economic growth? The latest studies reveal surprising economic losses linked directly to rising temperatures, reshaping how we view climate risks and financial stability. Recent data indicates that heat waves do more than just strain health and infrastructure. They directly reduce productivity by affecting labor capacity, especially in agriculture and manufacturing sectors. For example, during extreme heat, workers tend to slow down or take more breaks to avoid heat stress, leading to significant output losses. Studies show countries experiencing increased heat waves face GDP losses up to 0.5% annually, impacting long-term economic growth and stability. Agriculture is among the most affected sectors, as crops and livestock suffer during prolonged heat waves. Reduced yields cause food price hikes and supply chain disruptions. Energy demand also surges as people and businesses rely more on air conditioning, straining grids and increasing costs. These sector-specific shocks contribute to inflation and slow economic growth, especially in regions less equipped to adapt. The economic impact of heat waves extends beyond local effects. Global investment markets respond to increased climate risks, often leading to higher insurance premiums and reduced investor confidence. Governments face rising healthcare and infrastructure repair costs, diverting funds from growth initiatives. This creates a feedback loop where climate-related economic damage threatens overall development and poverty reduction efforts. Heat waves are not just a weather problem, they are a serious economic challenge with consequences that reach every sector and country. Understanding this hidden cost is crucial as we adapt to a warming world. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had and stay informed on the forces shaping your future.